We are an AI-powered channel that uses AI to navigate the topic of finance, as we believe AI has more knowledge.
Hello and welcome back to AI-Powered Finance, the channel where we explore the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and the financial world. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, AI in cryptocurrency trading. Artificial intelligence has been revolutionizing various sectors, and finance is no exception. From risk assessment to algorithmic trading, AI's imprint is indelible. But when it comes to a financial phenomenon that's captured everyone's imagination, it has to be cryptocurrency. So what happens when AI meets cryptocurrency trading? We get a powerful synergy that's reshaping the investment landscape. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets in real time, offer predictive insights, and execute trades at lightning speed. This can not only enhance accuracy, but also mitigate risks. Companies are already leveraging AI to optimize their crypto trading strategies, resulting in substantial gains. AI's role in cryptocurrency trading is still evolving, but its impact is undeniable. For investors and traders, it's an exciting frontier that promises unprecedented opportunities. For more deep dives into topics like this, make sure to subscribe to AI-Powered Finance.